Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn your long videos into short, engaging clips using Vmaker AI. Let's get started. First, once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Tools section. This is where you'll find all the features Vmaker AI offers. Today, we're focusing on Short Clip Generator, aka Long to Short Form feature. Select it. Now, you'll see the option to upload your videos. You can either paste a Google Drive link or simply drop your files here. Once uploaded, your videos will start processing. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your output video. Based on this, Vmaker AI automatically reframes your video, keeping the main subject in focus and adapting it to the selected format. After that, select the duration for your clips. Now enter your keywords. This tells the AI what topic from your video to focus on. Just enter a word and it will pick the most relevant parts from your videos. Now, when everything is set, click on Generate Shorts. Here, you'll see all the generated outputs. The number of clips depend upon the length of your original video. You can preview the clip, change the subtitles, and also view the narration detected in the video. At the bottom, you'll also notice a virality score, which indicates how well each clip is suited for a platform like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. If you're happy with the clip, you can directly export it. Or if you want to make further changes, click on Edit as Project. Inside the editor, you'll see the full timeline. Here, you can adjust B-rolls, add new images, audios, subtitles, and add transition to fine-tune your videos. Once you're done, click on Export. You can either publish it directly to your preferred platform by connecting your account or simply download the video. And that's how you turn your long videos into short, engaging clips using Vmaker AI.